When graphing a linear equation by plotting points, we want to do the following. First, we want to make an xy table, and then we're going to let x be 0 and let y be 0. This is similar to plotting points, but whereas plotting points was picking numbers that we liked, we will always let x be 0, and then we will always let y be 0. This is a hallmark of plotting intercepts. Once we do that, we're going to plug each number into the equation and fill out the ordered pair, and then we're going to graph both ordered pairs and draw a line through the points. So for the first equation, 3x minus 2y equals 6, we're going to let x be 0, and we're going to let y be 0, because that is just how you do plotting intercepts. X is 0, and then y is 0. So now we know that x is 0. We're going to take 0 and plug it in for x here and solve for y. So we're going to get 3 times 0 minus 2y equals 6. 3 times 0 is 0, so 0 minus 2y equals 6. 0 minus 2y is just going to be minus 2y, or negative 2y, equals 6. And then dividing by negative 2, I'm going to cancel that out, and then y is going to be a negative 3. So the other part of the order pair here is negative 3. Now here, y is 0. So we're going to plug 0 in for y here and solve for x. So 3x minus 2 times 0 equals 6. 2 times 0 is just 0. So 3x minus 0 equals 6. And then minus 0 does nothing, so we really just have 3x equals 6. And then divide by 3. And we're going to end up getting x equals 2. So the other part of the order pair here is a 2. So our order pairs are going to be 0, negative 3, and 2, 0. So we're going to plot both of these. So first, 0, negative 3. 0 on the x-axis means we just stay right here at the origin. Negative 3 means we're going to go down 3. So negative 3 is here. And we just plot our point there. Next, 2, 0. So from the origin, we go to the right 2, 1, 2. And then we don't go up or down at all, so we plot our point here. And now we have our 2 points. We just draw a line through, like so. So the graph of this equation is going to look like this. Next, we're going to graph 5x plus 3y equals 15. Again, x is going to be 0, and y is going to be 0. So now we're going to plug in our 0 for x here and solve for y. So 5 times 0 plus 3y equals 15. 5 times 0 is 0, so it's just going to go away. So we're going to end up just having a 3y equals 15. And then divide by 3, where the 3's go away. Y is going to equal 5. So that's where 5 goes. Now 0 is y, so we're going to take 0 for y and plug it in here and solve for x. So 5x plus 3 times 0 equals 15. 3 times 0 just goes away, so we're going to end up with just 5x equals 15. Then divide by 5, and we're going to end up with x equals 3 here. So our 2 order pairs are going to be 0, 5, and 3, 0. So 0, 5 is our y-intercept. So we can just go to 5 on the y-axis. So 4, 5. Plot our point here. And 0, 3 is our x-intercept. So we're just going to go to 3 on the x-axis, right here. Our 2 points are now there, so we're just going to draw a line as best we can. There and there. And that's the graph of this equation. Remember, to graph intercepts, let x be 0, then solve for y, and then let y be 0, plug it in, and then solve for x, and you will have your ordered pairs.